finna nest out. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see where the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah.
So ayan guys, nakita nyo naman. So we have a 370Z Nissan, which is our other project na sinasabi ko. No? So today, our plan is to replace yung engine mount niya, motor mounts. So we've got motor mounts here that we are going to replace because nung pina-inspect ko siya, sabi nung mechanic, so one of the mounts is will probably better to replace kasi there's a playroom, nag-wiggle siya, so the bumper is off. That's why the bumper is off. Oh! Ayan ang ating bumper, which is still dirty. Anyway, so basic siya, no? Basic mods. Naka full exhaust tayo with titanium tape. Naka mold yung ating front lip. Ayan, mark to ng tape. Ayan siya, so. And naka Ferrada wheels tayo. Naka aftermarket steering wheel tayo, shift knob, like simple mods guys. And naka-upgrade yung ating sound system all over. And meron tayong malaking subwoofer back there because, you know, we love music. So this is a very, very clean unit. When I say very clean, not even a single chip sa ating front bumper and hood. And naka-HID tayo, naka-BC coilover set tayo all around. What else? So yeah, other than that, yun lang. What is it? Maybe I'm forgetting something, but so far yun yung alam kong na modified na natin dito sa ating 370Z, no? So, this is a 2012. Ayan, kung sa mga nagtataka. It only has 50,000 kilometers mileage. So, the previous owner has really took good care of it. Ayan, it was just one of his collections. So, yeah.
Lagi ko sabihin sa daddy ko, wag mo yan pabigay, sabi ko.
Yeah, ayaw niya tong ipabenta. So, that's what I do, I build cars, and then when I'm, satisfied with its build already, then we sell it. Of course, we usually sell it with the winner price on our side. And then we buy another one though. So far it has been working good for me. I have been, because sa Canada, dito, it's too expensive. Nadalhin mo sa shop and then get a simple job done. It will cost you like couple $100 already. So it's always better off na gawin mo by yourself. That's why I've learned how to DIY when it comes to engine, but I'm not a professional mechanic. I am no certified mechanic by all means, but I learned from my mistakes, and if I could do it, you guys could do it too for sure. So you just learn from your mistakes, and I'm still learning every day. I fix the engine or with whatever is broken sa car. I give it a shot, and usually I'm successful. sa pag-fix, pero you know, sometimes I break it even worse. So yeah, simulan na natin yung ating pag-replace ng engine mount.
Parang mas pas ito kasi parang mukha siyang Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Sino mas pas?
Okay. Simulan na natin. Okay guys, na-lift na natin yung car. I'm gonna show you kung paano at bakit kailangan natin palitan yung isang engine mount natin. I don't know if you guys could see, but see yung bolt natin, nag-shift na siya from left to right. Kasi loose na yung ating engine mount na yun. Ayan. It's hard to show on camera kasi tatry ko tingnan kung pwede kong tanggalin yun. Yung mount natin sa may engine, yung nakatat sa engine. Ayan. And then, yeah, so we'll see what I can do and go from there, guys. Wish me luck. So what happened here, guys, is so ito yung engine bracket or mount na naka-attach sa ating mismong motor. And then ito yung sa may chassis. So dapat this should sit like this, and then see may stopper siya, pero yung ating kasalukuyan nakalagay is one of the sides is naputol, so that's why you can feel the engine when you're driving na it kind of pulls to the right side kasi hindi nga naman balance yung support ng engine natin to chassis, so ayan, so this is our replacement mount. So ayan, lalagay natin, meron siyang 4 bolts, so I think kaya natin silang tanggalin without removing the top, yung air intake, the tower brace. So ayan, and then i-jack up lang natin konti yung engine para maiangat natin and then mailagay natin ito. So, ayan. Let's go. Let's get into it.
One eternity later.
Okay! Ayan, after how many pulls, paghihirap na pagtanggal ng bolts natin, we finally got it out. It was so hard kasi nasa dulo siya. Ayan, ito yung ating old na nasa naka-attach sa motor. Ayan siya. And then, see, kung makikita nyo, bali na talaga siya. So, yung motor mount natin or yung mount na attached sa chassis, yes, motor mount, lumalabas na So, yeah. Ang hirap kasi hindi ko na tinanggal yung ating intake or headers. I mean, kasi ayun, sobrang hirap, Sorry, medyo madilim. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ayun, dun tayo. Wala na ako tinanggal. Tinanggal ko lang itong air intake natin para may leverage tayo. So, ayan. Ilalagay na natin ulit tong mga bago natin or yung replacement natin. So, yeah, finally. Mas madali na lang tong ibalik for sure kasi alam na natin kung paano natin siya tinanggal. And ayan, so
1 hour later.
ayan, natapos na natin finally. After how many hours of pokpok dito at pokpok doon. Napakahirap Actually, to be honest, this is the first time that I have worked on a Nissan car. And para sa akin, Hondas are still, easy to work with. Kasi ang bay ng, some other Hondas do have tight, tight engine bay, no? So with our engine bay right here, very tight siya. So as you could see, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating pinalitan, yung trabaho. Shine the light. Shine natin the light doon. Ayun. Let's try to zoom in. Zoom in. Ayan. Ayun yung ating mount. Yung motor mount. Come on, stay here, buddy. Come on. Anyway, ayun siya. So, ayun kung yung nakikita right there. And then, ang pinakamahirap is yung plate natin that attaches sa wall ng ating block, yung doon hindi naman mahirap yun kasi all you have to do is jack up the engine and then isulpak mo na. However, that wasn't the case for us. And because you guys, ayan doon yung ating old one. Ayan, naputol siya. So we really had to replace it. I thought it was even worse than I expected. Ang akala ko lang is yung one side lang. But both sides are gone. So yung ganito yan So ito is magpi-play na siya. It had anyway, meron siyang dito. Ano yun? Ito. Ayan. So ganyan yan So what happened is ayan. So ano pa yung support niyan? Wala na silbi, diba? It's junk already. But anyway, this is still good. This one. So spare natin yan. Although yung boot niya is totally destroyed na, pero it's still gonna work. So yeah, this is we're gonna end our video here. Wait. So yes, we are going to end our video here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, because and we only have few subscribers right now, but I believe that darami tayo, and trust the process. I mean, God will always find a way, you know. But anyway, please subscribe to our channel. There will be more videos to come, music or car stuff. Pagod. Yeah, so we're gonna do, right now our focus is on our SED, and then after this SED is we're gonna work on our other Civic, which is the older EK sedan, and that one is we're really gonna have to put a lot of effort kasi marami tayong gagawin doon. But anyway, right now we're just finishing up our SED, and then we're just gonna put all of our, if you see these boxes right here, these are actually meant for our SED. So yeah, stay tuned, boys, and please hit that subscribe button and like and share, and you know, yeah, please tell your friends about our channel. Thank you.